My experience has been amazing. This is truly for us, by us, for RTEs to get out there and learn from other RTEs how to solve our problems.
It's mind-blowing, it's a blast. I mean, you see so many agile enthusiasts right here. It's just amazing.
My experience here has been great. Everybody has been very welcoming. It was organized very well. It's a very strong community, so a lot of talk and sharing of experiences. It's very, very fun.
It's really intimate and fun. I'm connecting with so many people.
My first time here in New York City, all the way from Amsterdam. I'm really enjoying it.
It has been an absolute pleasure. I go to many, many conferences. This is such a dynamic community. I love the fact that it's a more intimate conference. All of the amazing learning and sharing opportunities that this conference provides.
All the speakers, all the presentations, plenary, as well as the case studies, the interactive sessions. I think everything's been really going well. So I guess the whole conference is a highlight for me.